2.5 times growth in 4 days. I'm posting on Online Rich with Alex account for only 4 days. And I haven't touched this account since I believe it was June 1st, almost exactly 4 months ago. I decided to not create Online Rich on Brow Tab because I wanted to show you the process of building up a personal brand on Instagram that you can then monetize. So I'm doing it real time right in front of you. So in 4 days, I have 2.5 times my growth, my reach, my views, and I have posted 2 reels, 1 carousel, 2 trial reels, and I think it's 15 stories. So I haven't posted a ton. That being said, I also want to say that this was not a large account. This was an account with about 1,481 followers. So almost 1,500 followers. So not a large account. I got back on here. I posted 2 reels, 1 carousel, 15 stories. And from Friday, the account had 3.1K views. By Tuesday, I'm at 7.4K views. So it's 2.5 times by posting 3 pieces of actual content to my feed. This is just really just starting out, just getting on there and sharing. Made this decision that I wanted to do this and take you along with me on growing this personal brand and monetizing it, that I just went for it. And now I'm here breaking it down for you, and I'm going to keep doing this as we keep getting more growth because I know it's coming. The one thing I do want to note here is I have lost followers, and that is bound to happen when you reset an account, right? So I'm changing the entire concept of this Instagram account. This was an account I really wasn't using very much, but it was for my in-person microblading studio. Now I'm showing up as a totally different account name, Online Rich with Alex. They didn't originally follow me to see this type of content. So be prepared to have some people unfollow you because that's not what they followed you for in the first place. They're probably not interested in what you're talking about now. And that's totally fine. You don't want them as followers if they're not interested in it. It's just gonna fuck up your engagement rate. And we only really want followers who are actually interested, who potentially want to learn from us, who potentially want to buy from us, right? So it's not a bad thing to lose followers. It's just building that core content, that core personal brand even more. So I'm focusing on key metrics here, and my key metrics here are the new views that I'm getting, the growth in views. The follower rate is going to fluctuate, and in the end, your follower rate is not the biggest key metric anyways, because you can monetize a personal brand with a very small following, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you what I'm doing here, because I'm starting with not even 1,500 followers. We're gonna grow this shit to show you how it is done and how you can still monetize. So that is 4 days into starting the growth of Online Rich, the Instagram account, the personal brand, the online business. Please drop any questions you have in the comments, and I will be continuing to give you updates and sharing my story and building this brand with you in real time.